Hello everyone, I'm Julia, your native English teacher from London. Don't forget to turn the subtitles on. Welcome to this A1, A2 English course for beginners and elementary levels. These 30 lessons each contain 5 videos which will help you in all 4 skills, listening and speaking, as well as reading and writing. With this comprehensive course, you will gain fundamental knowledge of grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure and pronunciation, giving you the confidence to speak English and enabling you to understand native and regional accents across the globe. Our questions and answers, as well as our quizzes, will help you consolidate your newly acquired knowledge. Our comments sections are there for you to post your doubts or questions and receive valuable support and feedback. Learn real and practical English through fun scenarios and structured lessons. Get to the next level with our amazing course. I hope that you thoroughly enjoy the course, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.